buddies.
Hey buddies. What we're going to do today is we are actually going to transfer all of the ethanol that is in this coffin into another coffin. The ethanol in here has become discolored, and that is often due to pigments that leach out of our specimens. Ethanol being discolored is not a problem. As long as it stays at 70%, that's what we use to protect our specimens, it's perfectly fine. However, this is the coffin that we use for tours, for education, and for outreach. And so as the ethanol gets darker, it's harder and harder to see things like our really cool great white shark in here. So today we're going to transfer all this ethanol out. We're going to distribute it among our other coffins that could use a little top up. And then we're going to put fresh ethanol in here, which will be crystal clear so everyone can see what we have. That it kills mold, anything that would grow on the specimens. But as it gets higher and higher and higher, you start to suck the water out of the specimen and you can deform the specimen. So it's that balance between wanting to keep water in the specimen so you have a shape that's true to life versus keeping it in a concentration that will keep it from decaying and decomposing. I think our work